Oh, no, I'm sorry.
This is my mum, and this is my BMW, which is currently running around 330 horsepower. So today, we're going to be doing the only logical thing, taking my lovely mother out for a drive in the M235i, and most importantly, seeing her reaction.
Alright guys, so I'm here with my lovely, lovely mum.
Hi guys.
And we're just going to go for a little drive, because she hasn't been in this car properly since I bought it, and especially since the old new sports car is on. You're looking forward to this, aren't you, mum?
I'm not sure.
She was absolutely dreading this. We've already tried to film this yesterday as well, and it didn't go well. So cross fingers, it's a little bit better today. You smell like Wills.
Great. I smell like a dog. I was smelling Wills just before I came out.
Look at this guy. Oh, I thought that was the car behind him.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing.
What's that noise then? What is that noise?
Mum, it's just the car.
What? It does not. No!
Shut up!
No!
How am I supposed to concentrate? Shouting like that. Mum, look. We're going literally 30 miles an hour.
Noise. What the
What noise?
It's just disgusting. It sounds like a box folded. No! I really can't. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I really can't. Please turn that noise off.
What noise?
Noise is rumbling under my backside right now. No, because it's a bend. There's a bend. No.
We're going 30 miles an hour, Mum.
Yeah, just no.
We're doing 40 miles an hour.
No. Just f***ing stop. I want to go home. Whoa! God, no.
Guys, we went 60 miles an hour. We literally went 60 miles an hour.
I don't really appreciate it.
Have you heard?
Charlie, I'm menopausal, for God's sake. I don't know. I can't do it. I can't. No, I'm really gonna go on.
Oh, Mum, I'm sorry. I won't do it anymore.
I don't even want you going out driving like this.
I don't drive like. Look, I'm not, Mum. I'm going 30 miles an hour.
Oh no!
That probably went up 2 miles an hour.
I mean that is just a joke.
You like that?
What the fuck? If my car does all this, I don't want it. No, it's all windy. It's windy.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna need to go to bed. No, it's windy. When it's windy, you don't do that. Small windy roads there is. It's windy. Okay? Don't make me turn into some sort of meme where I'm just going, it's windy. Please.
Mum, they're gonna think I'm holding you hostage. Guys, she wanted to do this video. I just want to preface this.
It's windy, remember?
Mum,
it's windy.
we're gonna take a chill now, okay?
Oh, please do that. Please don't do that. Oh, no, please don't.
I had to get past the cyclist. Do you like my pops and bangs?
No.
You don't like this?
They make my nerves bad. No.
It's nuts.
I'm sure you appreciate them a lot, but no, they just make my nerves bad. They really.
People always stay really far behind me because they think a flame's gonna come out of the back. Honestly, you can see it. When I'm on when I'm driving like this, people stay really far away.
No! Please, Charlie. Honestly, I really have had enough now. I was expecting it to be, but no, I want to go home.
Are we going to McDonald's?
Not really. Not if you can act like.
I'm not gonna act like a.
Do not.
You like the Corsa, didn't you? Did you prefer the Corsa to this?
Yes.
Why?
Because it's slower.
Guys, I just want to make sure you guys are understanding that I have not once put my mum in any kind of danger. I have only driven in straight lines. The camera might make it seem like we'd go fast, but I seriously, and honest when I tell you, we haven't driven over 60 miles an hour.
Oh God, you do that one more time and I'm going to cut your feet off.
Hiya. Can I get a triple cheeseburger meal with a Diet Coke? Double Big Mac meal with a Diet Coke as well.
Could I have a cheeseburger, an apple pie? Pardon? Can't say it.
Apple pie.
Sorry. And could I have a strawberry milkshake, please? Apple pie.
Bye.
Baby play.
Bye. Thank you. Cheers. Let's have a look.
Baby play in there.
Yeah, you got your bad bear.
What?
Cheers.
Gonna need like Valium and go to bed.
Did you enjoy it today then, Mum?
Beautiful.
Yeah?
Thank you so much for taking me out.
Alright guys, well, Mum seemed to enjoy it. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Really hope you guys did enjoy. If you want to watch the video of me going all the way up to Wales, then click up there. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys.